1, 2, 3, come on.
Come on, come on.
Hi students, good morning everyone. Now I am going to talk about coordination chemistry. First of all, double salt. Salt பத்தி பார்க்கணும். Double salt. Salt. How many types of salt? 3 types. First one, simple salt. Second one, mixed salt. Third one, double salt. A very very important one. How many types of salt? Simple salt, mixed salt and double salt. First one, simple salt. Or acid with base to form simple salt. Or acid with base to form simple salt. Or acid plus base gives to form simple salt plus water. Example, HCl is a acid, NaOH is a base. Okay, to form NaCl. To form NaCl is a simple salt. NaCl is a simple salt plus water. Another one, mixed salt. Definition: more than one acidic or basic radicals in the compound present in the compound. More than one acidic and more than one acidic or basic radicals. ரொம்பலாம் கிடையாது. only one acidic or one basic radicals present in the complex or salt are called mixed salt. Example, NaKSO4 is a salt, mixed salt. Sodium Na plus, K plus, SO4 minus. Okay, அது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா என்ன ஆகிருக்கு? ஒரு சோடியம் ஆட் ஆகிருக்கு ஆர் பொட்டாசியம் ஆட் ஆகிருக்கு. அனதர் ஒன் எக்ஸாம்பிள், CaCO-Cl, Ca ப்ளஸ்ஸு, CO ப்ளஸ்ஸு, Cl மைனஸ். ஓகே, யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? இஃப் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், புரியுதா? ஓகே, simple salt and mixed salt. And the last one, very very important, double salt. Very very important one. What is the double salt? Two salt present in the compound are called double salt. How many salt? Two salt present in the compounds present in the compound or salt are called double salt. Okay, example, more salt. I take example, more salt. FeSO4, NH4, 2SO4 plus 6H2O. So more salt. So now important point. See, இது இந்த டெஃபினேஷன் தெரிஞ்சால் போதும். ஒரு 3 mark question. Double salt. What is the double salt definition? Two salts present in the compound or salt are called double salt. Example, more salt. FeSO4, இது ஒரு salt, இது ஒரு salt. NH4, 2SO4, இது ஒரு salt. Therefore, two salt present in the compound. More salt. This compound, these lose their identity in solution. These lose their identity in solution. Hydrolysis of double salt. The should be another hydrolysis of double salt to form that salt ion. To form that salt ions. Example, I take only mole salt. FeSO4, NH4, 2, SO4, 6, H2O. First, XeSO4. SO4 charge 2 minus. Ion charge, இங்கே 2 minus 2 na, இங்கே Fe 2 plus. For neutral. This one. SO4 charge 2 minus. How many ammonia? 2. 2 NH4. The charge 2 minus. Already 2 upper plus. Upper 2 plus. Neutral. Hydrolysis of double salt to form that salt ions. Now salt ions ke Fe 2 plus 2 NH4 plus 1 2 SO4 2 minus. You see? புரியுதா? Okay, very good. Next coordination complex compound. Next heading என்னது? Coordination complex compounds. They retain their hydrogen solution. எழுதுற coordination complex compounds. Example, K4 FeCN6 is a coordination compound. They retain their hydrogen solution. Hydrolysis of coordination compound. Hydrolysis of coordination compound do not form that salt ions. எப்படிங்க சொல்றது? Listen, 4K plus FeCN6 do not form that salt ions. Okay, because Cn minus directly linked to ion. Because Cn minus directly linked to ion. Ion is a central metal atom. Cn means ligand. Cn is a ligand. And that Cn minus directly linked to ion. Ion இருக்கு, central metal atom. How many ligands? 6 ligands. 1 2 3 4 5 6 directly linked to ion. The Cn minus means ligands directly linked to ion or central metal atoms. So a very important one, double salt. Two salts present in the complex or compounds or salts are called double salt. Example, more salt, potassium, etc. These retain their hydrogen solution. Hydrolysis of double salt to form the salt ions. But coordination complex compounds retain the solution. Hydrolysis of coordination complex compound that do not form that salt ions because as a ligand directly linked to central metal atom. Okay, we are understand? Very simple and very easy. Okay.